Hi everyone, the question is let a1, a2, so and so forth up till a100 be non-zero real numbers such that a1 plus a2 plus so and so forth plus a100 is equal to 0. Then there are four options and we have to choose which one is correct. Let me write options a bit. Let me write, let's say, a option so that the options are clear. I have just taken questions directly from the official paper on KVPY website. It is a faint a bit. So here option A is written as sigma I equal to 1 to 100 ai 2 to the power ai greater than 0, and sigma I equal to 1 to 100 ai 2 to the power minus ai less than 0. Similarly in option B it is greater than equal to. In option C it is less than equal to. In option D it says the sign depends on the choice of ai's. Okay, so here let's make a very interesting observation that whether ai is positive or negative, ai times 2 to the power ai is always greater than ai. Mind it, ai is non-zero, so it is either positive or negative. So what if ai is positive? Then you would have 2 to the power ai will be greater than 1, because ai is greater than 0, so 2 to the power ai would be greater than 2 to the power 0, which is 1. And since ai is positive, you can multiply ai on both sides and the sign remains the same, holds for ai being positive. ai is anyway non-zero, so it can either be positive or negative. So what if ai is negative? If ai is less than 0, then 2 to the power ai will be less than 2 to the power 0, which is again 1. And since ai is negative, when you multiply ai on both sides, the sign will reverse. So whether ai is positive or negative, that means for all non-zero ai's, ai multiplied by 2 to the power ai is always greater than ai. Similarly, if you see carefully, if you cross multiply 2 to the power ai, 2 to the power ai, no matter whether ai is positive or negative, is always positive. So you can cross multiply and sign remains same. So you have ai is greater than ai times 2 to the power minus ai. Whether ai is positive or negative, it is always so. So based on these two, you can easily comment that sigma ai times 2 to the power ai, 2 to the power ai, where I varies from 1 to 100, will always be greater than sigma ai I equal to 1 to 100, which is essentially 0. This is essentially 0. It is given to us as 0. So that means A option is correct. Why? Because the second part also would also hold. So this is being held because of this, and this holds again sigma ai, where I varies from 1 to 100, which is given to us as 0, is greater than sigma I equal to 1 to 100 ai times 2 to the power minus a. So A is correct. Thanks for listening.